Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations, doing another unboxing today. So this is a 2 solar panel kit. This is the Renogy RNG 100D. Again, this is a 2-pack kit. What's nice about this is they are each 100 watts, so in total we get a 200-watt system when we combine them together. As you can see, they do come both in the same box with some decent packaging here with a small amount of space between them. The panels themselves are facing each other in the center. On the outside of the panels are the actual power portion itself. Here are the panels now removed out of the box. You can see this actual panels themselves are facing each other, so then you have the power portion on the outside. One of them, it looks like the actual enclosure came apart during shipping. These do have the 2 leads that come from them. You can see here we have the backing just separated during shipping and kind of fell out along with that gasket. It was pretty easy to put that right back in once we needed to do that. Again, so it does come with these solar panel plugs, and then you can do the Y adapter to take these 2 single 100-watt panels and make it a 200-watt system to put that into your charge controller. So again, as you separate these, you can see that the panels are on the inside. It keeps those panels far away from the exterior to help prevent potential damage. That's certainly something appreciated since there wasn't a lot of foam padding or anything in the box, but they did come entirely intact, no damages other than those pieces of the power unit itself that the box just kind of separated. It looks like it's actually made to separate based on those little flanges here on the sides. I was able to put that O-ring back in place and put that enclosure back together, but as you can see here, it simply just goes around the outside to make it weatherproof, and then it clicks right back in with these flanges here. And that's everything with these solar panels. Enclosure put back together and the O-ring put back in place. We had a nice little mount made for it here on the top of this mountain in southern Texas. This is a solar remote communication point. Once these 2 100-watt solar panels are combined with the Y adapter, we do have that 200-watt output that goes directly into our solar charge controller. So what that does is it brings everything in off these solar panels here, and then it combines them via that Y adapter into our solar controller. So then that charges the batteries in a healthy manner. So you can see here we use this solar controller. So we have multiple 12-volt batteries. The input voltage from the solar panel is not necessarily 12 volts, so we definitely need to control that with the controller. These panels will be living up on this ridge line for the next year before we do another video, keeping all these communication devices online, hopefully without any issues. Again, my name is Chris with Elevations. Please like and subscribe below. As always, I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.